Hello there. So today I'm super excited because I'm starting something on this channel based on popular demand, and it's something that is so dear to my heart, and that is no other than Forex trading. A lot of people have been requesting for me to make Forex videos, Forex related videos. So starting from today being Friday till infinity, every Friday we're going to be having what I call Forex Fridays. On Forex Fridays, I'm going to be sharing with you Forex education, financial market investment education, savings, growing your money, cryptocurrency education, dollar arbitrage, and so on and so forth. So if this is something that you're interested in, please, if you're not subscribed to this channel yet, please do well to subscribe to this channel so that you will not miss any of these things that I'm going to be sharing with you every Friday on this channel. And every other day on this channel, I'm going to be sharing all things how to make money online, how to grow your business, and how to become the champion in your industry. So today I'm going to be sharing with you how you can make over 1000% on Forex without trading Forex. This method, you don't even have to give anybody your money. Your money will be in your trading account, but guess what? You're going to be making over 1000% on a monthly basis. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. The platform we're going to be using is hfm.com, right? You're going to be using hotforex.com or hfm.com. This is not sponsored in any way, so please, everything I'm saying here is through to my own experience, right? So when you get to hotforex.com, the next thing you want to do is to click on login and then click on my HF. And then when it opens, because we are registering for the first time, you can go ahead and click on register. But if you have an account already, just go ahead and sign in. But for the purpose of this training, I'm going to be showing you guys how to register your own account. So click on register. So here you can see broker of choice with over 3.5 million live accounts. HotForex is a broker that has actually been there for many years. Since I started my trading career, I've been trading with HotForex, right? So I will always recommend HotForex because they are the ones that I'm using. And again, I will have to repeat, I'm not promoting any affiliate links for this video. So everything I'm saying here, I'm being 100% honest, and because I want you to see the opportunities that is here and benefit from it. So here you can see the types of accounts. This is individual account, this is corporate account, and this is joint account. So individual account, if it's just you, and then corporate account, if it's a business, if it's a company, then you can go ahead and open a corporate account. But if it's a joint account, maybe you and your spouse, you just want to open a joint account, you can open a joint account for any reason whatsoever. So you have personal information for two people, update your information, and that's it. So for individual, you're going to put your country of residence, put your phone number, put your first name, put your last name, put your email address, and put your date of birth, and then password, and click on register. It's going to request for your means of identification and proof of address. And once you're able to sort that out, you have an account on HotForex. I would have gone ahead to show you guys how to do it, but it's quite easy, and I wouldn't want us to start wasting time on this part because I already have an account, and trying to open another account is going to actually hurt my own personal account. So it's best that you just go ahead and click on register and register. That is nothing difficult here. You can always figure it out yourself. So let's dive in. Let me quickly go ahead and sign in. So here is just how the interface looks, and here is where you deposit money, and here is where you withdraw money, and here is where you transfer funds, and here is your wallet. So let's go to deposit. Let's assume that you have created your account and you want to start the strategy that I want to show you guys. This is where you fund your account. You can select how much you want to fund. You can fund in US dollars, you can fund in euro, and put the amount you want to fund, and come over here and put $100 if you want to fund $100. If you want to fund $5,000, you can also come here and do that, or you can just type in any amount you want to fund, whether it's 200, 300, 500, and all whatnot. But the minimum deposit is $5. Maximum deposit is $10,000, and minimum deposit is $5. So for the purpose of this training, where I want you to focus on is on this HF copy. So we click on HF copy, and then you click on strategy list. You will see new strategy provider, you see my follower account, and then you see strategy list. You see what is HF copy. Then you click on strategy list. HF copy simply means copy trading. That's copying the trades of successful traders. Now, I don't care what your experience has been in the past. with any other company or anything, but here I'm going to show you something amazing, how you can start making over 1000% on your trading account using this method. So please stay with me, don't go anywhere. So here we are on the strategy list. So this is the list of people providing their strategies, the people that you're going to be copying their strategy. The key things I need you to know here is the stability score, the gain, and drawdown followers as well. So now the stability score is how stable the trader is. 1 is the best, 2 is okay, is excellent, then 3 is just good, then 4 is fairly poor, and 5 is terrible. So don't go anywhere between 5 and 4. Just maintain the stability score of 3 and 1 in choosing your strategy provider. Okay, so if you want to choose the best strategy provider, you can just click on 1 or 2, and then it's going to show you every strategy provider that is within that range, right? So we're going to leave it at 2. You can also see here is gain. Gain is the number of percentage they have gained. Okay, so there is 10%, 20%, 50%, 100%, and 200%. So I'm going to go with 200%. I like money. So I'm going to go with 200. So it's going to show us the number of strategy providers that have more than 200% gain. That's more than 200% profit. So I'm going to go ahead and click on 200%. We'll come here and click on max drawdown. This is the one that is very important, and this is where a lot of people lose money. I wouldn't want you guys to lose money in any way, and that is why I'm sharing all the secrets with you. So please pay attention and don't skip any part on this video, because if you skip any part, you're going to make a lot of mistakes, and this is trading and money is involved. So if you make any mistake, it's going to affect your money. You're going to lose your money. So I don't want any of that for you. So please kindly pay attention to these things that I'm going to be sharing in this video. Now, this max drawdown is the percentage drawdown. So let's say the max drawdown is 60% and you have $100. 60% of $100 is already $60. That means you're risking $60 to get 10% or 50% or 100%, right? So if that's okay with you, you can go with that, but I always do not encourage that. I want you to stay anywhere between 30 to 9%, right? In as much as 30 is a little bit on the extreme side, but just make sure that you stay within that 30%. But we're going to leave it at show all so that I'll be able to show you guys more details as we go. So here, followers is number of followers. It can be less than 100 or more than 100. So this simply means that you want strategy providers that have less than 100 followers, and less than 100 followers means that they have less than 100 people copying their strategy, copying their trades. Or if you want more than 100, that means they have more than 100 people copying their strategy. So that is just how this one works. So, but we're going to just leave this here to show all. So here is 12,177.11% profit. So imagine starting an account of $1,000, how much you would have made by now. Incredible, right? So we're going to check this guy out. So I'm going to go ahead and click on profile. Let's open his profile down, and we're going to look at his profile, but let's go through some other things to actually weigh what is happening here. So here you can see his max drawdown is less than 10%. This is very amazing, and he has over 199 people following him. Amazing. And he has been on the platform for 265 days. So that means he's not a new trader. He has been there on this platform for more than 265 days. That is almost a year. And then his stability score is 2, which is very close to 1. So here is the strategy provider, and you can see he follows the trend. That is his strategy. He follows the trend, and you can see his gain. You can see max drawdown. You can see the number of followers, 20. You can see performance fee. So you're going to be paying him 45% from the profit. So if you make $100, you're going to be paying him $45 as his performance fee. Okay. So here you can see the graph of his growth. The green triangle represents deposit, and the red triangle represents withdrawal. So this is also a proof to show you that he's making money and he's withdrawing money, right? So here is green. You can see he deposited $500 and he has grown it to 13,773.16%. That's how much he has grown this $500 that he deposited here. And now let's look at his withdrawal rate. So he has withdrawn $800 here on July of 2022. He withdrew another $800 here, 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 another $800. So he has been withdrawing back to back. So this shows that he is actually profitable. So here you can also see the balance sheet of his trading account. So in 2022, he actually started this strategy account in May, and he made $2.49. In June, he made $31.69, and he started growing up until the end of the year, where he made $7,970.83 in total. And then in January, so far, he has made $105.21, and he has lost $25.87, which is very okay. So in total, he has made $12,177.11 in total, and he only deposited $500. Yes, you can see here, this is the only deposit he made here. And now he has made $12,177.11 from $500. So you can imagine how much he has made and how much you're most likely going to make if you start copying his strategy. Now here you can see the financial statistics. His initial deposit is $500. Like I said, I showed you guys before, and the balance is $1,980.56, what he has currently now. Now, I know these figures might be very boring, but you need to understand them so that you don't make any mistake whatsoever. And as you can see, his total deposit is $500, and his total withdrawal is $5,600. That is how much he has made off of $500. So imagine that you deposited $500 and you started following him from the day one. This is the amount you would have made on your account. So here you can see number of closed trades is 1,905 trades, and number of open trades currently is he's currently trading, and he has 3 open trades. He has positive closed trades. You should pay attention to this. The positive should always be much more than the negative. In fact, it should be 3 times the negative. So anybody you're going to be copying their strategy, make sure that the number of positive closed trades is at least 3 times the number of negative closed trades. As the case of this guy here, you can see this one, the number of negative closed trades is 256, and profitability is 76.62%. Incredible, right? So all you need to do is just create accounts with this platform and simply fund the account, copy the strategy, and just relax, chill, take your drink, sip your drink while you make money while you sleep. The amazing thing about this is that you are in control of your money, you're in control of your trade. If he opens a trade that you don't agree with, or if you see a certain amount of profits that you wish to take and you don't want to give it back to the market, and he has not closed it yet, you have the full control to either close trade, open trade, withdraw your money, withdraw some of your money, withdraw all your money, withdraw your profits, and all whatnot. So the only thing they have control over is the performance fee that you're going to pay. So anytime you want to withdraw, they will take out 45% from your account, and that is for the performance fee. So if you're okay with the performance fee, for me, I think it's good. If I'm going to be making 1,000 profit and he's going to be taking $450, I mean, the remaining part of the money is way okay for me, because I didn't do anything. Is 100% passive income. Passive income at its best. Past results doesn't guarantee anything. The market can change at any time, but just know that if you follow these things judiciously, just as I've mentioned it, you are most likely going to succeed making money off of this platform. So if this video has been helpful to you, go ahead and smash the like button so that more people can see it and benefit from it. I'm talking about how to make money online. I got you. Please go ahead and watch this video next to learn how you can make money through investment in today's world. Go ahead and click the video, and I'll see you on the other side.